Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy and the third card in the Paper Pumpkin kit for May of 2021 called Batter Up. So we are going to make this third card in this series. We need the card base. We need these two die cuts. We need the You're the Best stamp plus the Uncle stamp, and we need 12 inches of the linen thread. And I've cut a couple of grooves or just notches in the top of the linen thread so that I can tie that end and it doesn't keep unraveling. So let's go ahead and build this card. What they're telling us is we need to put dimensionals on the back of this, and they're calling for 1 in each corner and then 2 close to each other in the middle. So we'll peel that off and we'll attach it to the card front, and then after that we need to put some of the linen thread on. So we need to put this in the middle, so let's just like that, and there we go. And then we need to put a glue dot down in the middle to put the linen thread on. Whoops, well that's not being very cooperative, and we'll just pop that down like that. There we go. And what they want us to do is loop it like this, so it loops out the side of the card, and we're just going to keep looping it like that. Okay, so now we need to take the base shape piece and we need to ink up our You're the Best stamp. So we'll just keep inking that up until we've got good coverage. And sometimes with these, you need to ink them up and stamp them away once so that you don't get any little kind of holidays in the ink. So I'm just going to grab my scrap pad here and I'm just going to stamp it off just like that. And now I'm going to re-ink it again. And it should, there we go, that's better. Solves that little problem. No problem at all. So we're going to make sure we've got good ink on this. There we go. And then we need to stamp this. I'm just going to put a bit more ink on the You're the Best because I really focused on the best, not the You're the. Okay. So we stamp this down in the middle of the diamond, or the base. There we go. So we've got the You're the Best, and then we need to stamp on the Uncle. So I'm just going to put that on the other side in a spot I can see it, and then we're going to stamp it right in the middle down here like that. There we go. So I'm just going to stand that acrylic block up on its side so that I can clean it up later. So we've got this piece done, and now they're telling us that we need to put 3 dimensionals on the back of here, 1 in each of these corners, and then 1 down in the point. And then we put it over top. But I think that I'm going to need to, because this will go here, I think I need to change my linen thread just a little bit. So we're going to make sure that it extends out just that little bit further so that we can see it. And it has to go kind of straight like that. And then we're going to put this in just a little bit further over like that. So then we take our base here and with our grating, and we put it over the top like that. Perfect. I like that. Now we add in our enamel dots, and we're going to put a red one like that, a yellow one underneath it, like that, and another red one just off to the side at a bit of an angle. And then we need to put a red one here and a yellow one here. So that is the third of the cards in the set. So thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time.